first thing you want to do is make sure your subfloor is nice and clean, swept off, you don't have any nail heads poking out or anything like that. Then you will inspect your mat to make sure that there's no damage after you take it out of the box. Nothing's cut, nothing looks snagged or anything. Then we're going to perform our first electrical test. On the tag here we have our resistance marked in the lower right hand corner, and we're going to use our multimeter to check for resistance between white and black. We want that resistance to be within 10% of the value marked on the tag. In this case the tag is 0.5 ohms and we're reading out at 0.5 ohms, so we're good. Next thing we want to do is also check between white and ground and black and ground. That way we're ensuring that there is no ground fault in the mat so that it won't trip the GFI on the thermostat. In this case we're over limit ground to black and over limit ground to white. So our mat is healthy and good to go. We're ready to move on with our install.